Every great journey begins with a small step, a single dream, a single spark. 99 years ago, in the coastal city of Mangaluru, a group of visionaries lit a lamp of trust for the people of Karnataka. That lamp grew into a legacy, from helping small traders to empowering families, from one branch in 1924 to becoming the pride of an entire nation. This is not just a bank. This is a story of Karnataka Bank, the story of Bharatka Bank. And today, this century-old trust stands beside us, guiding our RVS family, supporting our dreams, and becoming an inseparable partner in our journey of education. Founded in 1924 by Sri B.R. Vyasraichar and other noble minds, Karnataka Bank started with one purpose: to uplift people. Through the 1930s, 40s and 50s, it expanded across South India, building relationships brick by brick, heart by heart. The bank grew stronger through historic mergers: Sringeri Shada Bank, Chitradurg Bank, and Bank of Karnataka, creating a powerful foundation of service. When India stepped into the modern era, Karnataka Bank stepped forward too, pioneering core banking in the year 2000 and transforming completely into a digital-ready institution by 2007. From Bangalore to Delhi, from local roots to national identity, Karnataka Bank proudly evolved into Bharatka Bank, a symbol of trust, stability and innovation. In 2024, the bank entered its centenary year, celebrating 100 years of service, progress and people-first values. Under the leadership of Mr. Raghavendra S. Bhatt, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Karnataka Bank, the institution continues to strengthen its commitment towards education, service, and inclusive growth. His vision of reaching communities at the grassroots and rural level truly inspires us, and it is this shared commitment to education and social responsibility that led RVS to collaborate with Karnataka Bank as our trusted banking partner. At RVS International Public School, we believe in shaping the future. And every future needs a strong foundation. A partner who stands with us in trust, responsibility and growth. For us, that partner is Karnataka Bank.
Thank you Karnataka Bank for supporting our parents and students with ease and trust. Thank you once again.
The staff is always supportive and approachable. Their service truly appreciable.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಆರ್ವಿಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. 100 ವರ್ಷ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡ್ಸಕತ್ತಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣನೂ ಐತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿಂತತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಗತಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು.
ಆರ್ವಿಎಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಗಿಂತ ವಿನಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹುಡುಗರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆನೂ ಕಾಣತ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿನಯನೂ ಕಾಣತ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡೇವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡೋದಾಯ್ತು, ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
We deeply appreciate your support and thoughtful services. Meanwhile, let me congratulate you for the centenary celebration. The Karnataka Bank has completed the 100 years of their journey. Your cooperation, your goodwill and dedication have made significant impact upon our institution. We deeply grateful for the way you stood with us. Once again, thank you for your remarkable services and steadfast support.
First of all, I want to congratulate Karnataka Bank for completing your century. Karnataka Bank, you are the banking partner for RVS when it started the journey to build a new infrastructure. So with your cooperation, our students are getting a quality education and safe transportation facility. So we, the RVS family, thankful to you for being the banking partner and to build the career of the students of this area. And I expect the same support from the Karnataka Bank, and I extend my gratitude towards the Karnataka Bank. Thank you very much.
A century of trust, a century of service. And today, That trust flows into the heart of RVS. Karnataka Bank continues its journey, and we are proud to walk alongside them. Thank you, Karnataka Bank.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್.
Congratulations, Karnataka Bank was successfully completed 100 years. Congratulations to Karnataka Bank.
Thank you for being a part of our RVS family. RVS International Public School organized a gratitude ceremony to express its heartfelt appreciation to Karnataka Bank. The ceremony was held in the presence of esteemed dignitaries from Karnataka Bank. As part of this meaningful occasion, Karnataka Bank donated a new school bus, a contribution that will greatly benefit students, especially those from nearby and remote areas. The program featured a formal inauguration and a gratitude video presentation, highlighting Karnataka Bank's role as a trusted banking partner and its positive impact on the school community. A major highlight of the day was the inauguration of the student bank within the school premises, an initiative aimed at promoting financial literacy and banking awareness among students. The dignitaries addressed the gathering, emphasizing the importance of education, financial discipline, and purposeful CSR initiatives. They later visited the school's academic facilities, appreciating the infrastructure and the institution's commitment to holistic education. The ceremony concluded with a symbolic sapling plantation and a formal vote of thanks.
That wonderful occasion and being with the students, I am remembering my golden days. Really, the student life is a golden life.
Thank you for the RVS International School Management Committee for inviting today and giving a time to share my views with all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
RVS International Public School extends its sincere gratitude to Karnataka Bank for their continued support and partnership in shaping the future of our students.